Thank you so much for joining us on the Michigan News Channel. I'm Eric Tallman this evening. Good evening, everybody. I'm reporting from northern Macomb County, just giving you an update and a status of what has been going on for the last couple of hours. We can tell you there is accumulating snow out here, and the roads are snow covered. We do know that, but we're going to tell you basically during the late evening hours, we can tell you things really started to get kind of tricky for a lot of passengers, drivers, etc. The roads right now in most areas are snow covered. They possibly could be wet, so if you're on the main roads, just kind of be careful and use caution when driving this evening, folks. I'm telling you, the temperatures are not going to be warming up. The temperatures are going to be staying cold. And then as of tomorrow, we're talking about cold and blustery conditions again tomorrow, and possibly some more snow showers in the forecast. We'll talk about the rest of the forecast in a little bit later. But back to the subject on the snow conditions. We just want to remind you that most areas are snow covered right now. I have not seen the snow plows out here as of right now. They're probably waiting until all of the snow has really come to an end, and then they should start working on the roads ASAP. But I'm just saying, even if it's snowing out, it doesn't take very long for visibility to go down, and then you can't see where you're going. So I'm telling you, if you're going to be driving this evening or going out or whatever you've got planned, please be extremely careful. The roads are kind of slick, icy, so just be careful. Reduce your speeds, and please take your time. You're going to have to allow yourself some extra time this evening as this storm system wraps up. So I'll tell you what the rest of the forecast is going to look like for the next 7 days, but I'm just telling you right now, in northern Macomb County, it is snowing out here, and I did measurements earlier. About 25 minutes ago, it was about a half an inch, almost 2 inches, close to 2 inches, but right now it's just an inch. Now this morning, we'll talk about what happened this morning. We could tell you that the storm system itself began, but some areas did not get the accumulating snow like they said the storm system was going to do. So the weather pattern has changed. So really, it's kind of confusing right now based on whether or not if there is going to be any more accumulating snow in most counties tonight. That is actually a question mark right now, but I think that possibly could happen. But for all of us in southeast lower Michigan, most areas are still under that winter weather advisory until 11 o'clock tonight for southeast lower Michigan. So I'm just telling you, if you are traveling on the back roads, main roads, etc., please use precaution and please don't speed on the roads. Please be advised that the roads could be icy, so please be careful. And the temperatures are not going to be warming up at all. We don't really expect much of a climb from tonight into tomorrow. We'll talk about the rest of the forecast coming up within the hour, but we're just telling you that it is starting to get kind of very cold outside, and it feels like there is a wind chill out here. Like I said, bundle up if you're going to be out tonight. It is going to be a cold one, and all of that. So use precaution when you're out tonight. Drive slow and be very cautious, whatever you do, and just be alert. And if all causes, just be careful. That's all I gotta say is be careful. If your phone rings, I would probably let it go to voicemail unless it's an emergency or some urgent nature that you need to use your phone. Please use your phone with care. Like I'm saying, this is not a joke, not in this kind of wintry weather stuff. Once that we get snow and it's here, it sticks around for a while. But I'm just advising everybody in southeast lower Michigan, not just Macomb County or Oakland County. I'm talking about the entire viewing area, since that we're under this winter weather advisory until 11 p.m. tonight. Please use extreme caution tonight, and please use it seriously, because I'm pretty sure there have been spin-out accidents across metropolitan Detroit because of the snowy conditions that we've had and the roads and all of that kind of stuff. So please use a lot of caution tonight. Please be careful. But I advise you, if you don't have to be out in this kind of weather tonight, please just wait it out. Stay at home where it's nice and warm. But during this weather event, please make sure that you are checking up on your family members, your loved ones, people that you know, friends that you know. Please make sure that you have connections with family, friends, etc. So make sure that you're checking up on your neighbors, etc., elderly, special needs, all of that, all and everything. Please make sure that you have communication and stay in touch tonight with those people, especially for the ones that do not have power at this time. So I just advise you, between the snowstorm and people that do not have power, please make sure that you keep in connection with them at all times. And I'll have another report coming up within the hour. This is meteorologist Eric Tallman. We'll see you guys within the next half an hour or so. So enjoy the snow while it's here. We'll let you know when we've got warmer weather after that. We'll see you later.